Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Let's do an unboxing on the Blink Mini 2 Indoor-Outdoor Smart Camera. So here's everything that comes in the box. Now this looks like it has something important in it. Yep, it's got a couple screws in it. All right. We've got a cable. We've got the actual camera. Then we have the power adapter. This is what you're going to plug into the wall. And we have a little manual. Okay, here's everything that comes in the box. Again, this is the power adapter. We've got a cable. Looks like it is USB-C on the other end. So we're going to plug this in. This is USB-A. Plug this in, and then this is going to be plugged into the actual camera. Now there is a QR code that you're going to use to link your camera to your Blink account. But to power the camera on, that's USB-C down in there, and this can go either way. But you want to push it in until that's about flush. Again, I could put it in the other way. Right there. That's what it's going to look like when you got it inserted properly. So the plug-in adapter, you can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 5 volts, 1.5 amp. Now the camera comes mounted to this, but it's very easy to take off. You can just pop off. There is a reset button underneath here, but this has that standard mount for Blink cameras. But it just pops off. We can take this off. Now we can mount the screws. It just takes 2 screws. You can mount it. You can set it there. It's got like a gripper on it too. But once you've got it mounted, you're going to want to snap this in place to kind of give it a better look. Now you'll line up these parts right here, those 2 with the actual screws. And it should snap into place like that. Then we can snap the camera. We can snap it on right there too and have it pointing like that. Or we can set it on the table and have it pointing like that. Comes with a really long cable. This cable is 80 inches long, and again, you're going to plug it in. Let's see how big everything is. So the camera stands up about 3.5 inches tall. You know, left to right's about 2 inches. The mounting holes are exactly 2 inches apart, almost 1 7/8 inches apart. The plug-in adapter is going to stick out from the wall about 2.5 inches with the thing plugged into it. The camera with the cable sticking out the back is about 2 inches. And again, I can put it like this also. And there, it's going to stick out from the wall about 3 inches. So to start using it, open your Blink account, hit the little plus button, and then it's going to have you scan that little QR code with your camera. And that way it'll be linked up with your device. So I hope this unboxing video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.